Hey guys, it's time for part 2 of this little car, and we're going to jump back on it here. I've done a little bit more work to it, just off camera. Nothing major, just some stuff. The brakes didn't work, the brake lights didn't work, and found out what it was. Is actually there's a rubber pad that goes inside the pedal assembly, and it was missing, so it never pushed the actual switch, the brake light switch in. And so somebody just disconnected the brake lights, and so I'll show you in a minute what I did for that, but we'll just give it a good walk around. Today we're going to wash it really good. As you can see, we got tons and tons of dirt and pollen and got all kinds of stuff on it here, so we're just going to give it a good cleaning all the way around. We're going to pull the hubcaps, clean the wheels up really good, and also I did put a new shifter knob in it. I got a factory shifter knob for this car. So now we got, well, I don't know if it's a factory one, but it is a factory Nissan shifter knob. It's actually for I think it's a 280Z, the 78 model with a 5-speed, which is what's going in my 260. That's the knob that would have came on it. But we're going to give this thing just a good wash up, good cleaning. Also, I did replace, I found a new a cover for that light right there, and so I got that on there. I can't see my screen at all on my camera. I don't know what I'm looking at, unfortunately. There you go, I can kind of see it. But yeah, we got a new piece for that. That's the one that was busted earlier, so I got that. But I'll show you what's up with the brakes. So I turned my attention to my 260Z build I'm working on. This is the pedal assembly I took out of the turd 280, which is going in. I'm going to use parts of this plus the original automatic pedal assembly. But this is what I found that works pretty good. So if you guys lose this little piece right here, it goes down and it hits the brake light switch there. And if that's missing, it's just a hole, and it never pushes in that switch, so your brake lights are always on. And what I found that works really good is actually these fasteners right here from Harbor Freight. They work really good. So I used one of those, put one on this one. I tested on this one first, so I didn't have to lay up under the dash all the time, and I found that this one works really good, and so I put one in that car and it's working great. But yeah, so we got the 260Z, we got the 200SX, and then I got my 280Z 2+2, which is the car that all the guts are coming out of course, for this 260Z build. Alright, she's all washed up. It's way different than it did. I can't see my screen at all on my camera. Maybe I'm getting the front. overall though, for a 1980 200SX, that is not a bad looking little car. Alright guys, we're going to go for the final test drive in this car. Before we return it here, we're actually going to take it back to her house and present it back to her here. Let's go for it. Fifth gear, that's pretty good. This is going to do it for this little series on this car. We got it back where it needs to be at for her, and I got her fuel gauge working. I got all the brakes working like they need to work. The only thing we're going to still do eventually is do a rust treatment on the gas tank, but for now it's just got way too much fuel in it, so we're just going to keep driving it. I got it where she can drive it. It'll be roadworthy for her, and she can enjoy it. But thanks again for watching. Take care.